Hello friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and today I've got kind of a different kind of video. It is like an unboxing because just recently a company called PINCHme contacted me through email and asked me if I would be interested in trying one of their sample boxes, and if so, if I would like to do a video on, unboxing this and checking it all out. So of course, freebies. I didn't have to pay for this box of samples, and I did not have to pay shipping, nothing. It is totally 100% free. Well, I don't know about you, but that's in my budget any day. So anyway, I got this cute little box and a little bit of information from this company. So let me share that with you because it is really neat, and I think definitely I'm going to sign up for it, because I like the idea of getting samples to try and not having to pay for them. How nice is that? Anyway, so this company is called PINCHme. And what they do is they let you try products from leading brands for 100% free. All you got to do is sign up, and when you sign up, you create a profile, and that way they get to know you and know what kind of samples you like. So, and in return for these free samples and your profile and signing up and all they ask is that you give them your honest feedback. So, each month you will get free samples, and they usually give out their free samples on Tuesdays. That's your day to choose your sample. Now, not everybody is guaranteed a box every single month. However, they've got other freebies that you can take advantage of as well. So it really seems like a nice company. It is very legit, and I like it, and I'm definitely going to sign up. And all this information that I am telling you now will be under my video in the description box, and a link to go sign up. So give it a whirl. But in the meantime, let's dig in and see what we got. So this is going to be so much fun. Okay. This is like Christmas. It's just like Christmas. I don't know, maybe some of you have already heard of this company, and maybe some of you have already, I've never even opened this. Yeah, maybe some of you are already a part of this. And if you are, by gosh, put a link below and or put a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of it. Because I've never heard of it until just recently. Let's see, where do I open this baby at? Okay, well, let's see here. Boy, that's sealed up pretty darn good, friends. That one's done. Oh, that's the only thing I don't like. Let's just forget being nice to the box. Let's just get her open. Oh my goodness, I got all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, all kinds of packings. I'll throw that out. Oh my goodness, we got all kinds of stuff. We got a native deodorant. Ooh, that smells good. That smells like coconut. It is. Coconut and vanilla. Mmm, that smells wonderful. Yes, I will use that. Okay, now what do we got here? Sundown Naturals, multi and daily immune support. Oh, those are nice. Absolutely. Sundown Naturals. Now that I know this is a good brand. I've used this brand before. Those will be nice. By gosh, we'll use them. They don't stink either. Sundown is a good brand. I like that brand. Okay, I'll be using these. It's a multi and daily immune support. You always can use that. All right, let's see here. Ghirardelli Dark Chocolate Sea Salt Caramel. I've had Ghirardelli chocolates before, and those, friends, are yummo. Love them. Oh my goodness, let's see what here. Compressed. Protects and cushions blisters. Blister cushion. Oh, that's kind of nice if you're working in a pair of new shoes. They get a blister on your heel or the back of your ankle. That's horrible, especially when you're breaking in a brand new pair of high heel shoes. Terrible, terrible. This is medium. All right, we might be able to use that. If not, my daughter will use that one. Okay, this is called nut butter. Oh, this is Compeed. I'm sorry. I'm like a little girl on Christmas. This is a Compeed brand, blister cushions. Yeah, that'll be good to try. And this is RX nut butter. It says knead, open, and squeeze, but I'm not going to try this right now. I'll try this later. This is peanut butter. It's 1 egg white, 27 peanuts, a half of a date, and no BS. How do you like that? That's what I like. That'd be pretty neat. Okay, let me toss this all out. I don't want that big mess all over. My gosh, they got all kinds of goodies. This is French lavender. Packa Soap Company. Oh, forgive me if I've just, destroyed the name. Oh my gosh, that smells absolutely wonderful. I can open this. French lavender. Cruelty-free, premium natural ingredients. Scents derived from essential oils. We believe in cultivating prosperity and developing nations by using our profits to support transparent, ethical sourcing, clean water. Oh, how cool. Oh my gosh, and that smells wonderful. I love lavender. I use lavender quite a bit. And I didn't even fill out a profile yet. I have not signed up yet. I wanted to see what was coming and what it was going to be like before I, signed up. But I do believe I will. This is a nice smelling soap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, six of them already. Anti-aging face serum. Well, they couldn't send that to a better person, could they? That's wonderful. Okay, now I got a couple of these in here. Anti-aging face serum. How nice is that stuff? That's like a whole, that's not a sample. That's a regular sized product. Let's open this up. I gotta check this out. How nice. V-Beauty. I'm terrible at names. But this, friends, I'm sorry, that is beyond a sample size. That's wonderful. Anti-aging serum. Apply evenly morning to a clean face, neck, massaging and gently until absorbed. Keep in cool, dry place. Avoid direct eye contact for external use only. Oh my goodness. I'm going to use that. It smells pretty good too. How nice is that? Well, we're going to give that a whirl. And you know what? I always take good care of my face. I do my best anyway. Okay, there's nothing more in there. And this is a Pure Clay Mask. Detox and Brighten. 3 pure clays in charcoal. This is a L'Oreal Paris charcoal and clay mask. How cool is that? It's a single-use mask. I'll give that a try. Why is this mask right for me? Over time, harsh environmental factors such as pollution and debris damage skin, leaving complexion dull and tired. Detox and Brighten Pure Clay Mask addresses your skin concerns for a purified, even, and radiant complexion. See effective results. Immediately, your skin will look brighter with a healthy glow. Dirt, dust, and pollen are perfectly removed from skin. Loose skin smooth and even. Or skin looks smooth and even. Sorry. I think I need stronger bifocals. Anyway, skin is clean as if detoxified. Skin feels as though it can breathe better. Well, heck, that'd be almost kind of nice. I'm sorry about that. My camera died on me. I like this box, but it's kind of neat. Okay, I was saying, they give you this little welcome card. And it tells you everything, how PINCHme works, and I will read it. It says, we're so thrilled for you to join our exclusive PINCHme Influencer Club. As a founding member, you will be one of the first to get access to exclusive free products, promotions, events, and more. We hope that you enjoy this box of amazing products, which, friends, it is nice. And share it with your followers. Don't forget to use the Happy Pincher and tag at PINCHme when you post. Aww. How nice. Okay, how PINCHme works. Go to www.pinchme.com and sign up. Once a month, we'll email you when free samples are available for you to claim. Provide your honest feedback on the samples to claim more. How PINCHme works. Click on the PINCHme tab. Complete surveys daily and be guaranteed weekly exclusive sample boxes. How PINCHme works. PINCHme. Click on the PINCHme tab. Receive daily emails with special offers and savings PINCHme has sourced for you. How nice is that? Okay, so there is my samples. This seems like a very nice company, and I am definitely going to sign up for it. It's all free. What have you got to lose? It doesn't cost you a dime. And then you know what? If you see something that you like or that works real well, then you know it's something that you can buy and you're not wasting your money. So anyway, with that, this is a wonderful little bunch of, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 8 nice samples to give a try. And then I will definitely go in there when I sign up, create, and then give them my feedback on this. How wonderful. These are fantastic. And I love this little, I love that little deodorant. That's nice smelling. And so is this French lavender soap. Wonderful. Anyway, at the bottom of my video, I will have the link to their website where you can go and sign up 100% free. Fill out your profile and start getting some samples. What you got to lose? It's wonderful. PINCHme is amazing. I like it so far. So, there you have it, friends. That's my unboxing. Thanks for watching.